Bonjour tout le monde, welcome back to Montreal Rides. I am in need of a tune-up. We're supposed to be in the first 1,000 kilometers, and I'm now at 1,456 kilometers, so overdue. So I will be going down to Jusst on Prince Arthur in the Plateau Montreal to see if that shop is open, first of all, to take in electric mopeds. If not, I'm gonna have to go to their other store in Old Montreal. As I was saying, going down to Old Montreal, maybe as a second stop, if the first stop on the Plateau Montreal is not accepting mopeds. The reason for that is because when I bought this moped, it was on the Old Montreal store, but he was telling me that it's like closing, it's not always open, so might as well play it safe with the first stop, and then we'll find out if we need to stop or continue on to the next stop. It is a nice day, 20 degrees, but it is windy. I don't know if you can hear it. I can feel it, especially with my visor open right now, just to make sure I have cool air coming in. I mean, I do have my sun shield, sun visor, tinted, whatever it's called, my inner tinted visor, because it is sunny. Alright, here's some music for the way there. I said, here's some music for the way there. And here we are at Jusst, Prince Arthur. So I have to go directly to the service center on Rue Saint-Patrick along the Canal La Chine. I don't know if I'll have enough battery in the GoPro to make it there. So let's go. I do want to know where I'm going. So I'm gonna say it now just in case. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, subscribe down below. I publish every Sunday so far. So je vous souhaite une bonne journée, une bonne semaine. Stay safe on the roads, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. And now from some music. And there it is, all tuned up and ready to go. There was a software update to do. You check the brakes, they're like new. Check the tire pressure, I'm good to go. And what else did you do? How much battery do I have left? A bit less than half. So I'm happy with this because instead of coming back on a rainy day in a few days, it's the same day. I get to bring it back home. I still have 86% of battery life left, so I can wander around. But it is the beginning of rush hour, so I'm probably just going to stay put for a while. And that's it. All I'm gonna do is give you guys some music to end it. So that's it. I'll let you guys off with some music. So if you like my video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, subscribe down below. Je vous souhaite une bonne journée. Stay safe on the roads, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!